This Independence Day, while you're enjoying fireworks, some hot dogs, steaks on the grill, some well-deserved time off, what if you also gave your law firm clients true financial freedom? Welcome to Revolutionizing Legal Bookkeeping, my Independence Day tips. My name is Lynda Artesani, and I'm sharing some practical, actionable steps and strategies to streamline your bookkeeping, boost your accuracy, strengthen your compliance skills, and gain some real financial clarity. And bonus tip, you can use a lot of these strategies on your own firm. So whether you work with solo attorneys, maybe you work with boutique size firms, bigger firms, mid-size, small mid-size, whatever your demographic of clients is, these tips will help you break free of outdated processes and build a stronger, more profitable practice for your clients. Let's turn this holiday into your law firm financial Independence Day. Legal bookkeeping is more than just recording numbers or entering transactions or dumping the transactions out of the bank feed. And it's a specialized financial system built for law firms. You manage trust accounts, operating accounts, sometimes they get messed up and intermingled, client funds, and every transaction, all while staying compliant with strict ethical rules and bar regulations. Accurate bookkeeping is the backbone of the law firm. It protects the client's money, supports smart decision making, improves cash flow, and prepares the lawyer for their taxes and their audits. When done right, it frees the lawyers to do what they do best, practicing law, while giving leadership clear visibility into the law firm's financial health. That's where we step in. We're their partner. So why does accurate bookkeeping matter so much? For one reason, and this is why we need to get paid more for what we do, is mistakes in legal bookkeeping can be devastating. Commingling client funds can lead to bar complaints, fines, or even worse. Poor records create tax headaches and audit nightmares. On the positive side, a strong bookkeeper will help the law firm control their expenses, spot growth opportunities, claim every deduction, and make confident business decisions. It's not just about compliance here. It's about that competitive advantage that drives profitability and peace of mind for the client. That's the big job that we have. The compliance is very important, but it's important because we give the client peace of mind. They can sleep at night knowing their trust account balance is out. So Independence Day is a perfect time to reflect. It's that ideal moment to pause. Use this long weekend, and we got a nice long one if you added the extra days, for an honest financial checkup. So look at the clients. Are all the transactions being recorded properly into the right accounts? Go through that reclass tool. Take a good, deep, hard look. Maybe you're using double. Look at the data from that perspective. Maybe you're using AI and you're dumping out the statements and putting them into AI and saying, compare these and let me know where there's differences. Make sure, though, you are taking off any client details because you don't want to share that, even if you're paying for the AI. Are any transactions not being recorded properly? Are trust accounts fully compliant? Look at the numbers. Take that balance sheet, collapse it down. Look at the trust liability account as opposed to the bank account. Does it align? Are your reports actually useful? There's a lot of report building tools out there. You can build some really nice things in Claude, but you can also take advantage of the reports in QuickBooks or in Clio or in Lean Law. We got some great reports right there, right inside the program. A lot of them are templatized, so you can really work off of that and maybe make them your own. So I want you to treat this holiday as a fresh start. Evaluate where your law firm stands and commit to building something better with your client. Maybe really commit to analyzing the data deeply. At this point, we're already in the mid-year. Analyze the data deeply and guide them through while you have the grace of time. We don't have any deadlines. If you have done your tax returns, you don't have any deadlines, and you're able to take the time now. And I can tell you a few powerful tips that you can implement right now. Number one, create a clear, consistent system. And I can't impress upon you more about that. Establish standard procedures for every transaction, every reconciliation, and every report. Consistency eliminates confusion and it will save hours of time every month. And if you have a team or a staff, you want to make sure the SOPs are really written in stone. This is a great time to fine tune them. Make sure that they still align with the work that you actually sold. Make sure there's no scope creep with your clients, take a good hard look at them and make sure they make sense. Maybe have a different staff person do the work following the directions of the prior one so that you can see if the SOP makes sense. Tip number 2, leverage modern technology. This step can get skipped. I still see some bookkeeping firms that use desktop. So switch to law firm accounting software. Take a look at Clio, take a look at Lean Law. There's a lot of good software out there that will fit your firm. Those are our 2 favorites. That's all we really use in our firm. Anybody comes to us with anything else, we kind of tell them that we'll get you out of that, but this is what we like to use. We've worked with Practice Panther, we've worked with MyCase, and we've worked with TimeSolve. We've worked with a lot of different types of tools, but the best thing you can do is if you're working with these tools and working with QuickBooks, it makes QuickBooks very law specific, and it will help automate some of the data entry. It'll help you with the bank reconciliations. It'll help you with the billing. It will protect the trust accounting. Cloud-based solutions give you secure real-time access from anywhere. So that's important. And you're not using some clunky desktop program over here that is not attached to QuickBooks, and then you're dumping everything into another file. It just doesn't make sense. Tip number 3, conduct regular reviews and audits. Especially if you're the business owner and you have a team, you should be producing that 3-way bank reconciliation. Just make sure that your clients are not mixing their personal and their business expenses. Never ever skip bank reconciliations. It's a good time to take a look and see if are the loans being reconciled. Is every single account that's supposed to be reconciled? Advanced client cost is a big one. That one gets skipped because there's not a statement, but make sure you're reconciling that. Always keep complete documentation. Find those receipts, invoices, contracts, attach everything in the system. Have it all in one database. And if you're using Clio, that's already kind of pre-baked into its own system, and it's a great place to have your data. Prepare for the year end now. That's my tip number 5. Start reconciling all the accounts early. Review your balance sheet, your income statement, your cash flow. We're at the mid-year. This is a great time to take a look at it. Fix any issues and start to plan your tax strategy before December hits. Very important. Transparency is powerful. Send clear, itemized bills and regular trust account updates. Respond quickly to client questions about billing and expenses. When clients feel informed, trust will grow, and that will help the law firm build a bigger referral base, right? And it will also help encourage the payments to come quicker, especially if you have payment links. We love Confido for that, and they're building amazing things in that platform. If you haven't taken a look at it, take a look at Confido Legal, and you'll find that the speed of being paid will be quicker and your cash flow will be better. So are we ready to get started? Here is some excellent resources. So if you go to the article that's with this video, you're going to find that we're going to have some links to the software, maybe to Clio, to Lean Law. You've got QuickBooks. There'll be some templates too. We have some cash flow trackers, reconciliation checklists. And then, of course, we've got our education center if you want to look. We've got webinars, we've got education courses if you want to take a look there. So start with one process this week. Small changes, even if it's just getting certified in software, the legal tech software, do it. This is a great time to do it. Or even getting certified in QuickBooks again. You're probably right now you're in out of time. You might have to be doing the big test again because I think it ends to June 30th, but it's important to do. This Independence Day, give your law firm clients the gift of better bookkeeping. By modernizing the systems and avoiding the pitfalls, continuously improve your processes, and you will enjoy greater accuracy, strong compliance, reduced stress for your client and for yourself, and higher profitability. Strong financial systems don't just keep you out of trouble. They help you build healthier, more successful partnerships with your client. Your future self, your clients, the attorney's clients will thank you. So if this video helped you, please subscribe and comment below. What is the one bookkeeping change that you're wanting to make this Independence Day? I read every comment here, so grab the free Independence Day bookkeeping checklist in the description. Happy 4th of July. It's a big one, 250 years. Now go declare your law firm clients' financial independence. Bye now.